Next door at House 4, Keith is making sure Luke and Jasmin are clear on what's required for their footings and pads.
So Keith came and gave us all the specs for the front yards because we actually have brick pillars going up at the front to make that traditional bungalow house.
House 4 has 3 brick pillars supporting their veranda roof, and these require solid footings for structural integrity.
What's happening with the pillars?
Pillars is on you.
It's on me.
I'll give you some details of all the pads.
Pads are there?
Pads aren't there.
Oh, what? And they require some pretty serious concrete footings.
We couldn't access the front yards. There was just too much rubbish in the way. So every time we come to do it, we couldn't get in. So unfortunately, the pads are going to be on you now. All pads and footings are going to be on you.
Classic stitch up.
Well, everyone's in the same boat.
Yep, okay.
Why? Does everyone have to do their... What do you mean?
Everyone's got to do their own pads and footings. Well, you'll see that there's been no work on any of these verandas.
Their whole veranda got built by 9 and 6.
But that doesn't require veranda posts.
It just seems like there's one set of rules for over there and one set of rules for everyone else.
All right, all good. No worries.
You don't seem very happy, Jazzy.
Nah, I'm in the mood.
What's wrong? Too much?
I just want to have a day by myself today.
All right, no, all good.
You all good?
Yeah, no, we're all good. We'll sort it out.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah. It's all right.
Yeah.
It all just too much?
Yeah. I'm just tired. How are we going to afford it?
We'll do it.
We're so broke.
Yep, worried about budget.
I need prices of everything. I need to know exactly what we're up for.
And how I was going to pay for everything.
Just do your best. It's all you can do.
All right, cool. Thanks, Keith.
No worries.
We've got no high pages. Leave it a pool. I haven't got through my invoices for last week, so...
It's overwhelming.
Yeah, I'm just tired.
Black Monday. It will forever be known as Black Monday. The day that Jasmin just could not stop crying.
I don't enjoy not being able to pay my trades.
It's all right.
I just want to have a nice front yard, and not just a basic, crappy one.
You're not gonna have a basic, crappy front yard.
Well, it's only going to be crappy because we can't afford it, not because it's what he's planned.
You'll be fine.
Okay, you deal with it. You take care of
Okay.
the entire budget this week then.
I will.
You take care of it. Over to you.